Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to create a stunning logo for your brand, project, or personal venture, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be exploring some of the best logo creator apps that can help you design professional quality logos right from your Android device. With a range of features and user-friendly interfaces, these apps make logo design accessible to everyone. Let's get started and find the perfect tool for your creative needs. Logo Maker Plus Logo Creator. Logo Maker Plus is a user-friendly app that allows users to design stunning logos with ease. This app provides a wide array of templates, icons, and fonts, making it simple to create a unique logo that fits your brand or project. Users can customize colors, sizes, and layouts to achieve the desired look. The app also includes features like layering, which lets you adjust and arrange different elements of your logo effortlessly. With its intuitive interface and extensive design options, Logo Maker Plus is perfect for both beginners and experienced designers looking to create professional quality logos. Logo Maker Logo Creator App. Logo Maker Logo Creator App is another fantastic tool for those wanting to design captivating logos on their Android devices. It offers countless templates tailored to various industries, making it easy to find inspiration or a starting point for your logo design. Users can edit text, adjust colors, and apply different effects to customize their logos fully. The app also allows for the import of images, enabling users to integrate unique graphics into their designs. With Logo Maker, you can create logos that truly reflect your brand's identity, all while enjoying a streamlined and efficient design process. .3D Logo Maker and Logo Creator. 3D Logo Maker and Logo Creator stands out by offering users the ability to create logos with a three-dimensional effect. The app features a variety of 3D templates, text styles, and graphic elements that let you craft eye-catching logos that are visually striking. Users can easily manipulate the 3D designs by adjusting perspectives, shadows, and rotation to achieve the perfect look. Additionally, the app supports customization options for colors and textures, giving users more control over their design. If you're looking to create a modern and unique logo that stands out from the crowd, 3D Logo Maker is a great choice. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best logo creator apps gives you the inspiration and tools you need to craft the perfect logo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and app recommendations. Which app are you excited to try for your logo design? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time.